they provide a service and a skill that we don't, and that is they walk into someone else's organization and develop very specific, very custom software for them. We're very much an industry-oriented, off-the-shelf product. So we understand the industry and we build software for a broad collection of organizations. So for them to come in and have to come up to speed very quickly on what the parking industry was, which there is no company that we talked to that had any experience in the industry, I was amazed at how quickly they were able to come up to speed with that. It was absolutely the right thing to do in both cases, both the timing and the selection of Leaf to perform the task.
We've also been able to achieve the platform that we wanted. What Leaf helped us build created a platform for a unified parking solution, which is something that didn't exist before in the industry, and we're the first and only software vendor in our space to offer a unified solution that manages multiple aspects of a parking operation.
There was a lot of debate internally at the time of the old product, which was PowerPark. It's working fine. Why do we want to go through the pain and agony and suffering of developing a new product and bringing a new product to market? And the reason that we did it was because had we not done it when we did, we would have begun to be much less competitive in the marketplace.
We had a relatively weak platform before we started working with Leaf. Leaf helped us get up to the internet, up to a place where we needed to be for delivering product to our customers and really embrace the net for going forward.
We pretty much immediately determined that we had to go elsewhere. The .NET technology at the time was very young. We did not have in-house expertise, so we needed outside help.
I'm very glad, in retrospect, that Leaf was able to provide both that good quality, diverse technical skill set that we didn't have, as well as doing it in the way that they did it, working with us very collaboratively in the whole process and not dictating to us or not throwing up walls in front of us to say that can't be done.
We found a way to build respect, mutual respect, and to discover ways to listen well and care deeply about the other person's perspective, and then work through to do appropriate problem solving and get to good compromises, end up with something that's very, very rock solid. And at the end, those relationships remain really strong.
They spent an incredible amount of time really trying to understand our needs and where we were going. And that's something that you don't often see. You see a lot of programmers who just want to jump in and write a bunch of code. So they spent the time to actually understand what we were trying to accomplish from a long-term perspective.
They were interested in our success as a business. They were interested in understanding our business issues and finding the right technology solutions for our business issues, as opposed to just writing code.
And we had to make some tough decisions, but in the end, they were the right decisions in getting the product to market.